Hello students, welcome to Sri Krishna Academy. My name is Lohitha. I'm here to teach you geology, and let us talk about geology and the overall view of the syllabus which we are going to discuss. Okay, geology will be in ICAR. You will be having 50 questions from the biology, among which 25 questions will be from the geology part. So is for the NEET and MSET 2. So just see how important is the geological part, same as the very other subjects. So let us see about the overall view of the syllabus and what we teach in our academy. We are very much specified for ICAR and NEET, and so is the MSET. So yes, here we will teach you every single topic from the syllabus, which is very much important to you. Why? Because there is no particular blueprint for this, like this question must be come from this part, or else there is no blueprint, right? So we need to be thorough in every topic, every single topic. So that is what we do in our academy. We will teach you every single topic in a very particular way that you can understand, like you will enjoy it while reading this topic, and you will be eagerly waiting for the classes to learn everything new daily. Okay, so let us go into the syllabus directly. So we will start with the human reproductive system, then human physiology, microbes and biomolecules, diseases, evolution and genetics, structural organization in animals, and ecology. Okay, in human reproductive system, if we talk about human reproductive system, it is also having another topic which is connected to it, that is reproductive health and the diseases which are concerned to that. Okay, in human reproductive system we will be dealing with male and female reproductive systems, menstrual cycle, the glands which are related to the human reproductive system, and fertilization, ovulation, spermatogenesis, okay, and then gastrulation, organogenesis, placental formation and types, parturition and lactation, and the hormones which are related to the lactation. Okay, these topics are very much important. If we see from the human reproductive system, from the overall percentage, there will be around 9% of the questions are coming from this the human reproductive system in ICAR as well as in NEET. So what is the next important topic? Human physiology is very much important, that around 20% of the questions will be coming from this human physiology. Human physiology includes digestive system, respiratory system, blood circulation, excretion, muscles and skeleton, nervous system, endocrinology, and like coordinative system. So from the whole topic, like human physiology, these topics will be discussed, and from the digestion itself there might be around one question in particular. Reproduction, respiratory system, around one question. From circulation there will be 0 to 1 question, excretion 0 to 1, from the muscles around 0 to 1 question, nervous system 1 question, 1 to 2 questions from the endocrine system. So human physiology is that much important. Okay, we must be very much thorough in that topic. Like any question can be given from any of these topics in the depth or in a shallow level. The question can be asked, like mostly from the endocrine system, like which hormone works at which site, like this type of questions, or from the nervous system itself, and from the muscles, okay, from the excretion, which animals excrete which excretory material like ammonia or urea or whatever it is. And from the blood circulatory system, respiratory system, you know that oxygen and carbon curves, okay, digestion, like digestion and absorption of the food material which we intake is very much important, like at what organ level, like in the which part of the alimentary canal, which part of the gut the digestion takes place or the absorption of the food material will be takes place can be explained clearly in the digestive system. So from the digestive system there can be a match the following, or can be a direct question related to the choosing question from the digestive system, or else related to the breakdown, like digestion of particular food, like particular biomolecule, like from the carbohydrates or proteins or fats, their breakdown can be asked in the digestive system, and also absorption of the food. Okay, here we can discuss that topic. And what is next? Microbes and biomolecules. Biomolecules includes carbs like carbohydrates, proteins, okay, nucleic acids. Okay, from these topics there are around 4% or maybe 3 to 4% of the questions come from the microbes and biomolecules. Okay, like which organism causes which disease, okay, or what is that particular organisms that causes which disease. Like these type of questions can be asked from this part of microbiology, like microbes and the biomolecules. And diseases, what are the diseases we have in our particular syllabus is that ascariasis and diseases that are caused by entamoeba histolytica, malaria, okay, and various other diseases as well. So what is the next part? Evolution and genetics. From this particular topic there will be around 18% of the questions come from the evolution and genetics topic. In the genetics, I think you guys already know that, like in the genetics mainly the particular questions will be come from the chromosomal disorders, genetical disorders like from the syndromes, Klinefelter syndrome, Down syndrome, and various particular other topics from the evolution and genetics. Okay, in the evolution part, as I can say that from the evolution, from the evolutionary table, we can say that there will be one particular question for sure. Okay, what is next? Structural organization in animals. So here in this we will discuss about different types of tissues, right? Different type of tissues. Along with that we will discuss in this only the organ levels, and we will type study the earthworm, cockroach and frog. Earthworm, cockroach and frog as well. So in earthworm they will mostly be asking about the segments. So as in the cockroach, mouth parts. In from the frog, reproductive system maybe. I am not saying that it is for sure, but these are very particular topics from the structural organization in along with the tissues, like different types of tissue, connective tissue, dense connective tissue, simple tissues, and different types of tissues. They will ask a question like what is that particular tissue present in that part of the human body, or alimentary canal, or excretory system, what is that particular tissue that is present there. So what is that next topic? Ecology. Of course, ecology is important. Around 6% of the questions will be coming from the ecology. So this is also very important, and we need to be thorough in these topics. Okay, I don't say that whatever is syllabus which we regarding to the ICAR or NEET is hard, but there is very much difference from the IPE pattern and NEET or ICAR, because we need to read we already know that we read these topics for IPE, but it is very different for the competitive exam. We just need to be thorough in depth, like we need to understand the topics. That's all we need to do. Like in the digestive system, from the mouth to the anus, what else we can do? Like this is what happens: biting, chewing, then swallowing. From the esophagus it goes into the stomach. That's all we can write a long essay in the IPE, but in the competitive exams we need to look into the different parts, important topics, like what are the new topics we can read from the digestive system or whatever the systems. We need to be thorough in this every single topic. Okay, and question pattern. What is the question pattern? Like I already told you that there is no particular question pattern. They can ask the questions in the form of match the followings, or direct questions, or indirect questions. So in the match the followings, we can say that it will be easy if we know around 1 to 2 options. We can like make a guess, like the other 2 questions, the other 2 options might be this. So match the followings are a bit easy if we know all the topics. And direct questions in the sense, they might be simple or they might be a bit complicated, but whereas the indirect questions, we need to know the whole topic. In order to attempt these questions, we need to know the connection between those 2 topics. So yes, this is a pattern of the questions. Like they will ask different types of questions, from the glands to the endocrinology, enzymes, and the structural level of the animals, organization of the animals, and in particular human reproductive system. There are very important topics in the whole syllabus. So this is what we do in our academy. Like we will teach you the whole topic. Accordingly, we will give you the schedule, and according to the schedule we will teach you the syllabus, and along with that every weekend we will be having a test, and along with that test, after a particular syllabus is done, you will be having grand tests. So this is how our system works in our academy. And yes, this is an overall view of zoology, and thank you.